Nigerian lady shares video of her and her neighbor fetching water as she advises those who want to relocate to the Italian city she lives in.
My people, tell una say I dey stay for village. Una dey talk so una wan come. Wesha, I know they had them. I know say make una no come. Those wey dey call me, I tell them say me dey wait till March because everywhere guy take day now. People don't too much. Water don't they finish. Now we won't go fresh water. My shoe now. When I notice say I dey lie for my village where they stay. We won't go fresh water for abroad. Hey God though. What can I see? I see my rubber where they carry. I see my neighbor. Show them now. Make them see her. You new come. They say they walk us. They see a rubber. Now the road we they go so. So in case if I want still come, I not say make una no come. See, they see the where we they go. See far. We won't go fresh water. We want to go and fetch water. Hey, in Europe for that water. Where they go? Hey, see where we for fresh water. Where's this cool? You they see no be smart. This clean water we want fetch you. This clean water, that's water clean. I'll show now. You see where the water for the common side. It's clean. Now we want fetch. So my neighbor go use this one till they pack and we'll come put them for inside here. You see When I want to come to my community, are you guys still ready? Are you ready?
No, Masha.
Okay, no, Masha. Are you guys ready? C'est pronto? Hey, okay. Now they see we don't they live. Now we live village with they so now village lifestyle they live. They see this so then I'll come transfer the water, go the other side. Are you guys still ready to come? This is my village for you. Okay. You don't do. I the roll. I going to carry the car. This is my village for you. Hey. As you can see, we are going home. We dey go as from stream. Oh, now what's still come? Hey, you see the village right there. Now they see as you can see, this is my village. This is my community. Now they see can you just see it? So now what's still come? You see now what's still come? Una want to fresh water for Europe. Una want go stream. They carry rubber for it. This is my community for you. You are free to come, but wait till March because things get a day now. It's just too much. People just too much now.